the measures of his love. I have calculated the greatness of his heart, and how magnificent his soul is, and how detectable his feelings are. Ecco l'uomo, pigliai le misure di lusso amori, calcolai la grandezza di lusso cori, e quanto magnifica è la sua arma, e accimato lusso avvertiri. Nothing converges, nothing corresponds. What have I done? His fervor, an unmeasurable calculation. His impulses, like an unstoppable flow. His thoughts like the firmament. Alas, I have calculated the impossible. If you need any further assistance or analysis, feel free to ask. Pigliai le misure di lusso amore, calcolai la grandezza di lusso cori, e quanto magnifica